it was at its stage of the CRL commission. Were you satisfied with the trial now taking place here, and you hope for a justice will prevail?
Yes, indeed. Firstly, our name is Kwanele Foundation. Within Kwanele Foundation, we have an office called Kwanele Foundation. But yes, we have been tracking this case since it started, because in 2020, we were the ones that were with the victims at the CRL Commission when the hearings were going on. So we are very delighted that now the trial has started. We are here at the High Court, and as we say, we're advocating, we stand against the abuse of people at the hands of pastors, churches, and the religious sector. But we are not against churches. We are not against pastors. We are not against the religious sector. But we are against the acts, the diabolical acts, the abuse that people go through at the hands of pastors, churches, and the religious sector. And that is why we say Kwanele Foundation.
Let's talk about Bishop being not guilty on the charges. What did you think what is the reaction when he said he's not guilty to what the charges that are linked to him, especially now when we saw the witness actually testifying and detailing some of those incidents?
Well, the witness, I know her because we've walked this journey with her from the CRL Commission. And in fact, most of the witnesses that are here, we've walked the journey from CRL Commission. So seeing Bishop, the first time I see him live saying he pleads not guilty to any of these charges. Well, it's his human right to plead how he chooses. At the end of the day, Lady Justice, the law will do what is meant to be done so that justice is not denied at the end of the day. We cannot say he's guilty as yet. We can't just say yes, he's guilty. We leave it to the law, because we choose, as Kwanele Foundation, we choose to trust the law. We choose to trust our legal experts that justice will not be denied. We are just happy that victims are finally have a voice. They finally have the voice, and they're owning their truth, and they're owning their narratives, that they're able to stand up and speak up against the abuse within churches and the religious sector. Because what we've known is that most people tend to shy away from the abuse within religious sectors. And moreover, it's countdown towards 16 days of activism. So this for us is a big hooray, because 16 days of activism is coming up, and we say it shouldn't just be 16 days of activism, it must be 365 days of activism. But this case is just one that is saying, we say as Kwanele Foundation, your voice is valid. Speak out, make noise against such things. We are not against the church, we're not against the religious sector, but we're against the ills, the behaviors that are happening that cause abuse and trauma to people who go to church hoping to find God and comfort within the church.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Kwanele Foundation just taking their stands on this matter about the illnesses that happen in the church, and as well highlighting that this happening just before the 16 days of activism.